Ekrem Gibonde Manege Mantabakanam Kansabe. So tupo ayagani rasa massive congratulations to Aini Nebonde Chelsea fans. Unomana is utango July became Benya. Because now one day I have been saying Chelsea bagide small thing wale waye lute final na PSG bu hame cause. When I say na onobu no sinade, we are not panicking at this point. I go final, we have already made our mark and we are not in a hurry. Yotago, man, I want more than Chelsea believe here, but deep down in my heart, I believe that now something good will come out of Nazareth. I will never ball. And will be on my way to Ayobi. So if we need Chelsea fan and say massive congratulations to you, know the reason. Because na new clue type of tankwankwe na munga yeguliliya. Utiba jahya dia yinihu. Because on your bona metologa ki meli ona because na other reason. Fonda na ase na yilu go final na PSG bu Chelsea. We play what is in front of you. You want to go that Arab team Mbappe Man City hanchakabo the same grade kahano. So Chelsea kwado. Udo da we say massive congratulations to every Chelsea fan. We play what is in front of us. Kwa wule nyimba United no eniru. Aya baha ball ka ndana bobo because everybody is in that tournament to win. Tomorrow you be idea to use the number. So we play what is in front of you. So that's by the way. So video akete na football video ezugomel maka Ijele. Mana mgbe Ijele pụta na nga nwe video nwetebe mana people pay attention to that, so Jugo decided to refresh our memory to that, including me. When I heard that speech, I didn't pay much attention to it because na Ijele ekwena. So Ijele Ezugo point out na mgbe Ijele pụta mgbe na ya kidini, Ijele made a statement on say kere ka Evangelist Ebuka Obi ji wee mala that no na ya kidini. Like he said na two things they involved there. He said no na-eji ọgwụ or no nwere ihe ọzọ okosi amata. So when I say when you are dealing with somebody they spiritually aligned, inclined to spirituality, somebody like Evangelist Ebuka Obi, you will always know that this will pick signal in the realm of the spirit. So Ijele wee kokwa ihe ni no na that video, including mgbe o so bido nwetebe onwe ya. Man, one thing he has fully come out and acknowledged is that now Ebuka Obi got to clear up his case there on ground with them. He never wanted to say that. Man, one day Bokulunka nka yada piano no. So kabanaro then this video kuno nozia ihe zugoku ka Ijele siwe megene siwe expose kwa Evangelist Ebuka Obi's secret na this video. So bikono in video kabaru share ya melega kona imano ndi Chelsea kaipo na nagota kodi kwa mbozo ndi bai.
I watched him interview Ijele Grantre a while ago. I will still analyze that interview either this night. It will be a long day today and I'm very tired, but with that strength I will still come and analyze that interview. But if I don't, then it has to be tomorrow morning. But one observation from that interview, Ijele was somebody na doubt or miracle. According to him, also that those things are there, na those things are the in fact, on a doubt of prophecy, not doubt of miracle, also not a traditional mystic or no belief or ni feeling now fake and arrange. But he said something which is gonna also that now 2 months before he take into custody, also that no omelu test and then no only femelu kidney intact. But after Evangelist Ebuka Obi said that, or made the declaration, or rather, that Nandeni Bunde bloggers, G Zion, Nanyangwa Evangelist Ebuka Obi, wela akpego n'ụzọ ọjọọ. Na ọ bụrụ na ha kpacha ego na ha ejewe treat kidney failure, kidney problem. Then after that, he obido gbawa ọbala, ebuje ya ụlọ ọgwụ. Then a one 2 kidneys fail. Then he now asks the question, how? How did it happen? That none the doctors say na Now this is a rare case that is very difficult for such thing to happen like that. Something must be behind it. Then he asked a question. How did Evangelist Ebuka Obi know about that? That no one a question to answer. How come that immediately the thing be into fulfillment? Now, my brother, I have to answer you. This is a confirmation to you. It is a direct confirmation to you that in a prophecy do real and that miracle do happens. This is a confirmation to you that God can do and undo. What happened to you is just God trying to open your eyes for you to see that there is nothing that is impossible for God to do. It is a confirmation to show you that no nwelunde Chineke kelu nyehu onyinye ibu amuma. Igotago. Igota ife na agwa the puzzle in our shock is fixing now is how did he know and how did it happen after he said that? It is divine, it is prophecy, and it is God at work. But it seems like in Ijiji ntike na-eso anani. You go and the kelife jekwu kelife ọzọ a na-ekwu ọgwụgwa ka ndị be anyị si asị na ka ndị be anyị si ekwudo ife ahụ. Yeah, but let me say that na Ijiji ntị ike na-eso ozu ana n'iyi. You go once beaten, twice shy. I believe you need learn go your lesson. Forget about this social media hyping. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points from your interview, and it really confirmed something which I am going to analyze in the broadcast in respect to that interview granted. Na ubegu onye kwechi ye mgba nya ibrushi ụzọ ịgbawuo onwe n'ọsọ. If you say you are a traditionalist, go and practice your tradition. Chanozo no kano shiholuzo. God has decided to teach you a lesson by confirming with this is if I have first-hand information for you to know that now Evangelist Ebuka Obi possessing that spirit of prophecy, and Evangelist Ebuka Obi possessing that spirit of healing and also that spirit of proclamation. He can proclaim and declare something, it will come to pass. It is a clear example. It is a signal that God has given you, but you are misinterpreting that signal. He actually says something about people like you. He develop kidney failure, and it happened. Your worry is and different shock. Oh, how did he know? God opened his eyes. Is he not a clear confirmation to you that the God of Zion is alive? That Evangelist Ebuka Obi is the real, that he can actually see, and that all the prophecies on the real. You gotta go. You should be talking out of experience because you are the one caught up in this experiment. So you should be able to know, except if there is something you are insinuating, which I don't know. Because you clearly said 2 months before, there is nothing like that. 2 months after, both kidneys fails. And it all can remain a puzzle to even some medical doctors know there. According to you, it is a rare situation. It rarely happened. Wisdom is profitable to dilate. Wisdom is profitable to direct. Let the wisdom direct you. Let your wisdom direct you. Again, on the broadcast email, and they pick a point in email, pick about circumstances surrounding your detention, what transpired, and how you came out. And I have no reason to doubt Zion Ministry anymore. There is no reason I have to doubt Zion Ministry anymore, because you cleared the doubt for people who weren't Tegahano. But when I analyze that video, Can we go send them mother? It is way clear doubt, and according to your interview, it was clear about the position of Zion Ministry in your arrest, detention, and the release. Share this video and stay tuned.